Hi everyone. Welcome back to Light Up Travel. Louisiana is known for its diverse culture, mouth-watering cuisine, and exciting music scene. With so many great places to explore, it can be tough to decide where to start. That's why we've compiled a list of the 10 best places to visit in Louisiana. Starting at number 10, we have Avery Island. This small island is home to the Tabasco sauce factory and a beautiful wildlife sanctuary. You can take a tour of the factory, taste some hot sauce, and even spot some alligators in their natural habitat. Avery Island is a must-see for any hot sauce lover or nature enthusiast. At number 9, we have Natchitoches. This charming town is known for its historic district, featuring a variety of unique shops and restaurants. You can also take a stroll along the beautiful Cane River Lake or attend the annual Christmas Festival, which has been named one of the best in the country. Our 8th entry is Oak Alley Plantation. This stunning plantation is famous for its 300-year-old oak trees and its appearance in several movies and TV shows. You can take a guided tour of the grounds and learn about the plantation's history, or simply enjoy the peaceful scenery and take some Instagram-worthy photos. Coming in at number 7, we have the French Quarter in New Orleans. This iconic neighborhood is known for its vibrant nightlife, colorful architecture, and rich history. You can explore the famous Bourbon Street, listen to live jazz music, or indulge in some delicious Creole cuisine. Our 6th pick is the Louisiana State Capitol in Baton Rouge. This impressive building is the tallest capitol in the United States and offers stunning views of the city. You can take a guided tour of the building, visit the museum, or even attend a legislative session. At number 5, we have Lake Pontchartrain Causeway. This 24-mile-long bridge is the longest continuous bridge over water in the world and offers breathtaking views of the lake and surrounding areas. You can drive or bike across the bridge, or simply enjoy the view from one of the many lookout points. Our 4th entry is the Atchafalaya Basin. This beautiful swamp is the largest wetland and swamp in the United States and is home to a variety of wildlife, including alligators, bald eagles, and black bears. You can take an airboat tour of the swamp, go fishing, or simply enjoy the peaceful scenery. Coming in at number 3, we have the National World War II Museum in New Orleans. This world-renowned museum offers a comprehensive look at one of the most significant events in world history. You can explore the exhibits, watch a movie in the 4D theater, or even take a ride on a restored PT boat. Our 2nd pick is the Mardi Gras celebration in New Orleans. This annual festival is known for its colorful parades, festive costumes, and lively atmosphere. You can catch some beads, try some king cake, or simply soak up the excitement of one of the biggest parties in the world. And finally, our top pick for the best place to visit in Louisiana is the Jean Lafitte National Historical Park and Preserve. This beautiful park offers a variety of outdoor activities, including hiking, fishing, and wildlife watching. You can also learn about the history of the region and the pirates who once roamed the Gulf Coast. Let us know in the comments which of these amazing places you would love to visit the most, and if we missed any of your favorites, be sure to tell us about them as well. We hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to share and subscribe for more travel content. Thank you so much for watching.